How to fix Google Play Store unavailable for subscription error. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I will show you how you can fix Google Play Store unavailable for subscriptions errors, so you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to fix this issue, this could be happening due to a couple of reasons. The very first thing you want to do is first simply open up your Google Play Store. Then you want to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, here you'll find the option called payments and subscriptions. You want to just go ahead and tap on that option, and once you go to payments and subscriptions, you'll most likely find the option called payment methods at the very top. If you previously have added your payment method, you want to simply tap on the update button next to it, or better yet, you can simply try to remove them and then re-add your new payment method, just so in order to fix this issue, because in most of the cases this would definitely help you solve your problem. If this doesn't help you solve your issue, then what I would recommend you do is you just long press on the Play Store icon over here, tap on this little I button that you see, which will directly take you to the app information page, and then here you want to come to storage, and then you want to clear the cache. If possible, you can also try clearing the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, after you relaunch Play Store, it might take a while to open up and then reinstate the application. And after you do that, try to go ahead and do the activities that you were trying to do earlier, or if not, just simply try to add a new payment method, which is the different one that you were trying to do before. And these were some of the ways on how you can hopefully fix unavailable for subscription error on your Google Play Store. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.